I'm going to talk about one other possible combination of connections. This is for those people who either don't have a sound card or their sound card really doesn't sound very good. A number of computer manufacturers over the years have really put in the cheapest piece of gear that they possibly can put into the computer, and that sound card sounds so bad that when you listen to it you go, I can't make a recording with this. There's one more option also for Mac users. Some of the Mac portables do not have that little stereo 1/8" cable. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna present to you one other option. Don't freak out. You don't have to do this one. This is a kind of a extra bonus process. Most of you are aware of USB plugs. One of the things that has to happen when you go from sound, from keyboards or microphones into the computer, it has to be converted from normal, the way we hear, which is called analog recording. We have to change it over into digital, into zeros and ones. And in order to do that, the computer has software and hardware, of which the sound card's one of those things. It will take the sound as we hear it and convert it into digital numbers, zeros and ones. That's called a digital audio converter. If your sound card is really bad, or if for some reason your computer did not come with the sound card, or if you have a computer like some Mac users who have older Mac portables, there may not be a microphone input. And I'm going to show you one other thing. This is called a DAC. This is a digital audio converter. This is what it has. As you can see, it has RCA plugs, just like the RCAs on our mixer. And what we would do is, instead of plugging the mixer directly into the sound card, and again, if you can't use the sound card, or if you want to go with something a little bit higher quality, what we do is we connect use this as the connection point between the computer and the mixer. And here's how it works. We have inputs and outputs. Right now, all we're dealing with are the inputs. The sound, let me get the right cord here. The sound from the mixer comes out of these little cables right here. So all you do is you plug in your RCAs, and then this cable has another set of RCAs. This looks just like the thing if you're hooking up your DVD players and your VHS players. This then goes right in to the inputs of this device. So now think of the sound flow. Okay, sound is coming from here, going into there. It's coming out here, running through this cord, going into this device. And from this device, it flows in, converts it into digital numbers, zeros and ones, plenty of them, and then it goes into a USB. And I'm sure all of you are familiar with the USB connection. We have now connected the computer and all of our music together in one easy, high-quality sounding interface.